Somewhere in the mountains between Macedonia and Bulgaria, shepherds figured out something brilliant. If you bake your stew inside the bread, you never need a plate. This is Maleshevska Tava, and almost nobody makes it anymore. It starts simply. Butter, olive oil, 1 chopped onion. Then 1/2 kilo of pork neck cut into cubes. This is the cut with the fat that keeps everything juicy. 15 minutes, no shortcuts. Mushrooms go in quartered. They'll drink up everything the pork left behind. Salt, black pepper, vegetable seasoning. Then 1 chopped tomato and a little garlic to pull it all together. Now the part that makes this dish famous, the dough. Roll it out into a wide circle. Line a bowl with crumpled parchment, drape the dough over it, and pour the entire filling into the center. Every drop of that juice stays inside. Fold the edges over, one by one, like closing a letter. Then, the flip. Everything upside down onto the baking sheet, seams underneath. A rope of dough on top for decoration, the way the old bakers did it. Egg yolk brushed over everything. A generous rain of sesame seeds. Minutes at 200 degrees. And now, you cut the lid. Look at that. The bread is the pot. The crust soaked in stew from the inside, crisp with sesame on the outside. You tear off a piece of the wall and scoop. They made this for weddings once. Now, you know how to